Hi everyone. So ano ba yung mga benefits kapag Philippine-based na IMG member versus OFW or international base? Basically for local base, meron tayong one-time payment na 6,000 pesos. Then ito 24/7 online member IMG portal, financial coaching support, automatic meron kang 1,000 pesos investment sa Soldibo funds. Meron tayong Everest Memorial Concert Services. Meron ka rin Kaiser Medical e-card. At the same time, Vision Care. Meron kang 50K life insurance, Fidelity Life. Then 100K in accident insurance. Tapos, access sa top 54 benefits. At the same time, business in the financial industry. Wala tayong Visa card. Kapag naman OFW or international coded tayo, meron tayong around one-time payment fee. That's around 175 USD to around 201 depending on the country. Tsaka depending on the conversion rate. Pag ang preference mo is Philippine peso yung payment. Tapos meron tayong 24/7 online members portal. So same lang din siya. Ang difference lang is ito. Okay? Mas malaki yung coverage nila na accident insurance, that's around 600K. Tapos meron silang around 63 membership benefits. At the same time, meron silang Visa card. So, yun yung difference. Ngayon, paano tayo magme-member sa IMG? Madali lang siya. So, kunin nyo yung agent code or yung link ng sponsor nyo. For our case, ito. Yan, ito. So, yung link na to, copy ko lang siya. Then mag-open ako ng another tab. Tapos, from here, meron tayong makikita dito na be an IMG member now. So, i-click natin yan. Tapos, kung Philippine-based ka, i-click mo to. Kung wala naman dyan, considering yung OFW kayo, click nyo lang po itong click here to sign up for other countries. Ayan. Let's say for example, Hong Kong-based ka. So ito yung mga specific na price list. Depende sa country kung saan tayo located. Ito. Hong Kong, that's around 1,575 Hong Kong dollar. So nandito siya lahat. Pwede nyo siyang i-browse. Depende sa country. Okay? So, Australia, Middle East, and so forth. Europe. Yan. So, for our example, since yung magme-member is Hong Kong based siya, click niya lang to. And then, fill in yung mga necessary details. Make sure lang na tama before proceeding further. Okay? So, fill up natin to. Tapos yung email address, make sure na active po siya. Yan. Mapapansin natin dito sa sponsor code and sponsor name, naka-pre-filled na po siya. So, kung sino po yung sponsor nyo, kunin nyo yung specific link, so nandiyan na po siya. Nagre-reflect na yung sponsor code niya and sponsor name. Ito naman under BAP, basically kung yung sponsor nyo is taga Pilipinas, so depende na lang sa agreement tapos BAP kayo, ibig sabihin nun, yung trainer doon sa specific country, siya na po yung mag-guide sa inyo moving forward. Kunyari, chinek mo yan. Nandito siya. Make sure lang na alam mo yung custodian code ng IMG member doon sa specific country and custodian name. And tapos magsasign siya dito. Okay? So for our case, leave us blank. No need to tick this one. Tapos name of trainer, same lang din to. Copy paste mo lang yung sponsor name. Paste mo dyan. Tapos forwarding address. Ayan. So may Hong Kong sa Benicio. So for this example, ito, Hong Kong. Walang care of, kumbaga. And lalagay mo lang yung occupation, profession mo. Yan, date of birth. Unahin lang natin dito sa year na ah, magse-select before tayo mag-proceed sa month and date. Yan, tapos telephone number, kung meron, kung applicable, mobile number. So, if ever na yung civil status mo is married, automatic mag-activate tong spouse name na to. Okay? So, enter mo lang yung name mo dyan, tapos kung by default, di pa member yon, leave as is ito. Okay? So, for this example, single yung ilalagay natin. Tapos nationality. Tapos TIN kung meron kang TIN number. Yan. Fill up this one. Permanent address dito sa Pilipinas. Then mailing address dyan sa specific country. Kung ano man po yung country natin. Tapos from here, tatanungin ka rin, may checklist dito kung dati ka na bang member ng IMG, life insurance agent ka ba, non-life insurance agent, healthcare agent ka ba. So, naka-default kasi siya na yes. So, considering na hindi ka naman agent or member ng IMG before, just tick yung no. Yan. Tapos dito, ayan, i-check mo yung apat na checkbox dito. Yan. So, pwede mo siyang balikan muna, yung fill up mo. Kasi may mga cases wherein etong last name, first name, full middle name na napapagbabaliktad nila. So, kailangan talaga before proceeding sa next step, tama lahat yung details. Okay? So, for this case, tama naman. Scroll down natin. Tapos, mag-signature ka dito. Not necessarily perfect. Kumbaga, kung similar sa signature mo, pwede namang i-update after once na-approve na yung payment natin at ma-access na natin yung IMG portal. Yan. Kunyari yan yung signature mo. Tapos, click natin itong continue button na to para mag-proceed further. Yan. So, di ba merong dialog box dito? Are you sure you have reviewed all the details of your membership application and that you are confirming that they are all correct? So, click mo lang itong okay para mag-proceed siya further. Ayan. Ngayon, ito na yung specific code mo. Tapos, mag-email din siya. Yung agent code and password mo. Payment option. So, pipili ka na ano ba yung preferred mong payment option. Okay? Pwedeng bank deposit. Ito kasi pay at our cashier. Sa mismong financial center siya. Bank deposit, remittance, online bank transfer, debit card, credit card, Palawan Express, BDO bills payment, Cash. So, pili ka dyan kung ano yung mas preferred mo. Let's say, for example, meron kang BDO bills payment or BDO online banking. Pipiliin mo lang to. Tapos, fill in lang tong billing address. Ayan. Nakatik naman na to by default eh. Tapos, click natin tong next button na to para mag-proceed siya further. Tapos, click natin to. Tatlong checkbox followed by the submit button. Ayan. Di ba na-convert na siya into Philippine peso? Yung babayaran mo is around 11,658.27. So, i-follow mo lang yung step dito. Meron naman siyang step dito 'pag through video online banking. Login ka lang sa video mo, tapos pay bills, 'yan. Note naman siya dito. Tapos ito yung mga ilalagay mo do'n, subscriber name, subscriber number, then yung amount. Tapos antayin mo lang yung approval, okey? So yun yung maganda dito. May mga other option din, pipiliin mo lang yung kanina na option kung ano yung kunyari remittance, Palawan Express. So depende kung ano yung mas convenient dun sa magme-member. If you have questions, let us know para ma-guide namin kayo.